the premium add-ons for Elementor is not a premium version of Elementor, the page builder. Well, it has come to my attention that a number of you are mixing up these two products, and some of you are buying a license for one product when you actually wanted a license for another product. And since I made this video here, it has gotten for about 15,000 viewers right now, and I see most of you enjoy it and like the video. But yesterday I was speaking to someone in person and they told me that the license system changed for Elementor, and what they actually meant that they wanted to install the premium add-ons for Elementor instead of Elementor Pro. And I just want to make it clear. Now, if you want to get Elementor Pro, before we even go into that, let me take you into my website. I'm sorry, I haven't done a lot of updates because of some breaking things that I don't want to happen at the moment, so don't mind about the updates. But let's first concentrate on the main issue here. So you see I have a plugin here called, of course I'm in my plugins area. You see I have Elementor, which is the free version of Elementor, the page builder that we use to build our pages. And then I have the Pro version of Elementor right over here. Now, I also have the premium add-ons for Elementor, which is over here. Now, the thing is, most of you are thinking premium add-ons for Elementor is the Pro version of Elementor. This is not the thing. The Pro version of Elementor is the extension of Elementor, the page builder, which you see over here. This is the Pro version of Elementor, and this is Elementor, the main plugin. Now, if you want to install the Pro version of Elementor, then you can watch this video right over here. But if you want to install the Pro version of the premium add-ons for Elementor, that is totally a different product. It's a different company. But what I have to tell you is that the Pro version of the premium add-ons for Elementor is an extension of the free premium add-ons for Elementor. And this is where the confusion starts from, because the name premium add-ons for Elementor, which is this company right here, and I've promoted it for quite some time. I've made over 50 videos about this product. The premium add-ons for Elementor is not a premium version of Elementor, the page builder, but the premium add-ons for Elementor is a free WordPress plugin that extends the Elementor page builder. And if you buy the premium add-ons for Elementor, like I've seen most of you have done, you need to install the premium add-ons for Elementor Pro add-on. Gets even more confusing. So let me show you how to go about that. Now, inside here, my WordPress website, you see I have Elementor the pre version and Elementor Pro, and I have the premium add-ons for Elementor, which is this plugin over here. And as you can see, it is by Lip13, and this Pro version of Elementor is from Elementor.com, and the Elementor plugin is also from Elementor.com. So we are going to install the premium add-ons for Elementor, which is from Lip13, and we're going to install the Pro version of that plugin. So to install this plugin, and hopefully this is what you want to install, the premium add-ons for Elementor Pro, you come over here to add new plugins, and here we are going to upload the premium add-ons for Elementor Pro plugin. And where do you get that from? That you get from the premium add-ons for Elementor website by coming over here to the Pro version. So of course, at the moment they are running a promotion for Halloween, but this is the area where you can find the Pro version of the premium add-ons for Elementor. So when you select your plan, let me say I pick this plan, it will take you to a checkout page, which will look like this. And this checkout page is from this URL, lip13.com, and that is where you're going to sign up, to purchase your license. So for me, who has a license already for the premium add-ons for Elementor, in this case, I can go to my account and it will take me to a screen like this. So it is by Lip13, and here I'm going to enter in my username, and then I'll have to log in, of course, with a password, and then it will take me to a screen like this. Now, On this screen here, you'll be able to see the available downloads that you can make. But you are more interested here in the license keys. So as you can see over here, I have 2 licenses, and one is expired and one is active. So I have this lifetime license, which is still active. Now, I can go over here and say manage sites. There's this option here, and here you can see your license, and it's for this product, Premium Addons for Elementor. And you see here, I can add sites. Before I come over here to add my website, I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to download the Pro version of the Premium Addons for Elementor. So I'll come to this screen over here, view details and downloads. So I'll come over here and then it will take me to this download screen. And here I'll say download, or I'll click on this name here, Premium Addons Pro. And this will download me the plugin. So you see now I have Premium Addons Pro downloaded. Now I'm going to come here to my website. Remember, we went to the plugins area since I don't have the Premium Addons for Elementor Pro. And here I'm going to say upload a plugin, and I'll come over here to choose a file into my downloads. And here I should be able to locate the Premium Addons for Elementor plugin that I've just downloaded, and then upload, and then install that plugin. Once it has uploaded and installed, I'll say here, activate. Now the plugin has been activated and it will show up right down below here. So you see now I have the Premium Addons for Elementor, and then I have the Premium Addons Pro. Now here I'll click on the settings option. And I have to go here to license. And this is where I add my license key. Where do I get the license key from? I get that license key from their website here, the Lip13 website. And here I'll copy my license key and come over here to my license area for the plugin. Then I'll say activate. So when I come back over here to my license key option and I say manage sites, you are going to see that now I have my website added as one of the websites that is using this license. Now that means that we have installed and activated the Premium Addons for Elementor Pro version, which is an extension or an Elementor add-on on our website. And now we have new widgets to use that are coming from the Premium Addons for Elementor team. When we come back here to our website and we go to the widgets, which are from the Premium Addons for Elementor, you see that now I can activate the Pro features from the Premium Addons for Elementor. So I hope this clears all the confusion around Elementor, Elementor Pro, the Premium Addons for Elementor, and the Premium Addons for Elementor Pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or feedback, let me know down in the comment box below. And if you want to get the license from the Premium Addons for Elementor or the Elementor Pro plugin, check the links in the description of this video. Have a good time and goodbye.